Once again, I'm losing friends. Break them in, I never been. Stick within my boundaries for my father just to live again. Sit and spin, recommend, pitching in without the sin. Grinning like I'm Dennis, but that menace on my back again. Now what you win? Flip again, acrobatic, got the pin. Avalanche, I'm bringing snow. I reconcile the beast within. Get them in, we ain't kin. Seeing doubles like a twin, but it like a.
What's happening? What's happening? It's your boy, Mr. Shortbeard, coming back with another one. Hey, today's is roof life, baby. As y'all can see, that is the roof. So we about to get everything set up. I'm gonna get my template up. I'm gonna get everything lined in place. I'm gonna drill a hole at the back right here. Give me a pilot hole to set up for the top. And then after that, man, it's go time, y'all. It's go time. So let me set y'all up and let's get to it. Let's go. Ugh. Oh shit, I'm sitting all on my stuff, y'all. Oh. Yeah. Here we go. Sharpie, tape measure. It's time to work, baby. All right, y'all. That's my lines. This is the one that I got to cut on, but I'm going to drill a hole about a ½ inch in front of that and drill all the way through the top. So I keep y'all posted. Stay tuned. If you haven't liked, share, comment, subscribe yet, man, please like, share, comment, subscribe on the video. Let's get it popping, baby. Roof life. All right, y'all. Make sure you got your proper PPE on. You don't want no metal shavings in your face. Well, definitely in your eyes. Let's drill. You're hot. Woo, that's hot. Let me get my glove. Hold on 1 second. Woo, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. We're official. And to let y'all know, this roof is double-sided. So when you cut one end out, you're gonna have to cut the other end too. Roof cut. Well, pilot hole cut. So now we get out and we take the template, put it on top, line it up. As y'all can see straight through that. So yeah, we're gonna line it up. Finish line, get out, put the template up there. Measure both sides of the roof to make sure you got the accurate readings. Make sure you're even on both sides. And we're gonna get to cutting. Let's go. All right, y'all. So we have the pilot hole cut in the back, template cut out, Sharpie, painter's tape, and a tape measure. So now what we finna do is line it up and get the measurements on both sides, this side and that side. You got your hole back here, so the back of your template fits on your hole. Don't worry about the front. Front is it's not a necessity, but let's get this thing set in place. And let's find out, let's get our measurements.
Let's see. 9.5. So we need to get about 10 on each side. Right there. Alright, we even on both sides. So now, we put our tape down. Tape down, remeasure, just to make sure. And if you're even still, time to cut. Yep, we're good. I think I'm good over. Come on through. What you doing, son? Yeah, I'll cut it out.
Now we're gonna trace it out, and then we're gonna get the cutting this roof open, y'all. All right, y'all see, go to pilot hole. So you gotta be real careful when you cutting this out, man, because a jigsaw will get away from you. And make sure you have the finest metal cutting blades that you can have, because it's finna get real right now. So let's get this roof cut. Let's go, baby. First time doing it, y'all. If I mess it up, it's on me. Can't blame nobody but myself. Let's cut this roof. Let's get the cut, baby. done that, you let it dry. Roof life, baby. Roof life cut by your boy, Mr. Shortbeard. I'm telling y'all, if I get the hang of these, I'm cutting out roofs. It's just on and popping after this. So we got a good cut. We cleaned off the edges of the burrs on the edge. And yeah, man, you get a long enough blade, you can cut through both sides. So that's what I did. I cut through both sides. There you go. 2 layers, man. You gotta cut through 2 layers of metal. Be careful, this stuff is sharp, y'all. Yes, sir. Roof cut. Letting that dry. After that dry, we're gonna install the glass, baby. Install the glass. And the glass right here. Let's go. And here's the bracket. So y'all stay tuned, man. We finna get this glass put in. Cut y'all back on when it's time to get started again. Let's go. All right, y'all. We got it test fitted in. Fit pretty good. Kind of got some gaps, but once I put the rubber sealing on it and tighten it down, we'll be good to go. It's a lot of cutting and test fitting, I can guarantee you that. But we got it in. We're gonna seal it, spray some more paint on the top, and then murder she wrote, baby. Let's go. All right, y'all. Roof is in. We got no gaps. All the way around. We're looking good. Yes, sir. Yeah, we got it installed. It's complete. Yeah, your boy got that. Got that. That boy roof life, y'all. You heard me? Roof life, baby. Yes, sir. So that's what we're doing, man. We done got the roof in. Now it's time to do a water test and see what we got to do. Then we're gonna start on that. Yes, sir. It's time to sand it down a little bit with a wire wheel, and we're gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint it black. That's what I got, black paint. And there go the top of the roof that I cut. Gotta paint this as well, and those leaf springs. But right now, roof life, baby. Roof by your boy, Mr. Shortbed. Water test, let's go. All right, y'all. We're doing the water test. Let y'all see. Ain't no water leaking. We ain't got no leaks, baby. Yes, sir. Big shout out to my brother T, man. Terrence, I appreciate you, bro. Cause without you, I don't think it would have happened, brother. But I appreciate you. Salute. I gave you your flowers, and I'm gonna continue to give you your flowers, bro, because I like what you're doing. Nothing but love coming from South Carolina down to Columbia, South Carolina. You feel me? Greenville, Columbia, we showing out. We finna bring some heat. Let's get it, baby. It's your boy, Mr. Shortbed. Now it's time to open the roof and test it. All right, y'all, we got the roof hooked up to the jump box, you know, just to give y'all a preview of the roof. So here we go. All right, let's get this thing started. All right, y'all. Let's go. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Little hang time off the back. We in there. So let's close it real quick. But yeah, hold on, the battery died. Let me hook the battery up so we can close it all the way down. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Completely closed. We want to open it some. Boom. Open. Roof installed by your boy, Mr. Shortbeard. Let's go, baby. Ah.